If your car is not giving you the right mileage, it's not the fault of fuel. It's probably the car which is at a fault. So what we do, obviously, we go to service station, get it serviced. If we don't compromise on the performance of a mere machine and expect every investment or a position or something we had invested in to give us a good return, why shouldn't we go to the expert when website isn't giving an appropriate result? So if your website is not giving you a business inquiries regularly, then the problem is not with the market. The problem is probably with the website performance and your marketing methods. My understanding says, number one, a professional and optimized website itself would contribute to generate 60% of your business turnover. An unattended or unoptimized website gives a winning edge to your competitor. Most of the businesses still consider website to be like any digital brochure. So here comes an opportunity to attend 1.5 hours of a comprehensive practical hands-on workshop on setting right expectation with your website to win on a digital marketing platforms. During this session, we will discuss why is your website not giving you leads, how to market your website, how to check the website performance, how to audit your website. Well, question comes is who should be attending this workshop? Company owners, CEOs, MDs, along with sales and marketing professionals. Hey guys, my name is Ashish Dalia. I am CEO and Chief Business Strategist at iKnowledge Factory Private Limited. With over 20 years, we had been helping our clients to take a full benefit and the potential of a digital marketing. Don't wait any further and register for this practical and hands-on experience workshop on how to unleash a true potential using digital platform.